Okay, guys, having done the sociocultural model, I want to point out something here. We remember that we said that sociocultural model considers social factors, societal practices, cultural practices, historic and activities in the institution, governmental whatever, the practices in the environment, their belief patterns and systems, right? These are things that um, cause psychopathology, or are reasons or factors that predispose individual to psychopathology. Like I mentioned in last, the unemployment and all of these things, right? Now, there is something we need to discuss, very important. We call it the drift hypothesis and the social causation model. The drift hypothesis and the social causation model. So when you hear the word drift hypothesis, the word hypothesis, you will understand that we are emphasizing that it is a hypothesis, not a model or a theory, right? It's still a suggestion. You know, when we define hypothesis, we are saying that hypothesis is a formal statement that suggests a possible relationship between two or more variables. In this situation now, we are trying to suggest or ask the question, does mental disorder result to or lead to drift on the economic class, social class, right? Or do drifting on social class result to psychological disorder, mental illness? Now, which of them cause which? Which of them causes which, right? Okay. Now, that is what we are saying. So there are two positions here: the drift hypothesis and the social causation model. They are saying opposite. The quest here is social class. Why do a wealthy man that is very rich at some point become poor? Is it that he, at some point in with his wealth and everything, wealth and affluent state, developed a disorder, psychological disorder, which now result to his inability to manage his funds and his friends and everything, and he went down the social class or economic class? Is that it? That is what drift hypothesis is saying. So drift hypothesis says that yes, that psychopathology occur, causing individuals to go down the social ladder. Yes, there are many examples, empirical data for that. And on the other way around, the social causation model says that these drifts happen leading to mental disorders. There are a lot of empirical whatever on this one too. You discover that some persons lose their job and then become depressed, right? Some people lose their job. I've seen on the other way around, the drift hypothesis, somebody that developed a disorder, and this was purely a first class, and at some point the person had to start going down. I've seen a student that doesn't want to finish his schooling again because he developed some problems. He couldn't read again, he couldn't do anything again. This is drift hypothesis. But the social causation model, like I said before, due to unemployment, people have taken to several abnormal behaviors like killing, right? Leading to raping, substance use, these are disorders, leading to depressions, leading to anxieties, a lot of other psychological disorders. So these are very important things I wanted to point out for you. It's a quest, and it's an argument of which of them lead to which. Is he drifting from social class down that led to mental disorder, or is it the mental disorder that resulted to going down and or resulted to your unemployability? Yes, or your unemployability resulted to your mental disorder. That is a very important discussion that there is no right or wrong answer, but have empirical data backing the two positions. Okay, so remember, this is your shop log, and then please remember to like and share, and see you as we conclude the models of psychopathology. Thank you.